Hi, my name is Pratik Chaudhary. I am an associate professor in Regional College of Pharmacy, and today our topic is maintenance of drugstore. This topic is related to B Pharm semester 2nd pharmacy practice. Okay, maintenance of drugstore is a very easy chapter in this pharmacy practice, maintenance of drugstore. So what are the things to be we do to maintenance of drug store? Proper drug storage. So first is the proper drug storage, and second one is avoid contamination. Third one is avoid disfiguration of labels, and fourth one is prevent or reduce pilferage, theft, losses in storerooms. Fifth one is storage, and sixth one is very important, that is finance. Because to maintenance of drug storage means if you buy something that you maintain something. So proper drug storage in the shelves. Our first one point, proper drug storage. So proper drug storage means if you buy the drugs and it is on the house in the shop. So it is on the arrangements in the shelves with the serial numbers. So mean proper drug storage is the first that with serial numbers, like on the shelves like A, B, C, D, and in numerical way 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the thing that a proper drug storage. There are thousands of brands, thousands of ingredients, thousands of salts, and thousands of the brand drug ingredients with thousands of their strengths also. So some drugs, for example, if we see a Rantac, we have seen there are Rantac consist of ranitidine. So it just consists of 150 mg, 300 mg. Its OD also come, and in kids also Rantac syrup is also coming. So, and in syrups also we have seen that Rantac MPS is also, it's an antacid. So these are the things that in a shelf, which one is for parenteral products, which one is for IV products, and which one is for tablet capsules in this series. So proper drug storage is to be related of the shelves in proper storage. Proper drug storage is also related that if you down the drugs in something like in amber color glasses, so it is also nothing that is not contaminated with the sun rays, and temperature is also maintained in a drug store. Means in a fridge a product will be stored, means 5 degree, 10 degree, 8 degree, 2 degrees. So injections and vials are also that are to be stored in a temperature maintains. So this is the proper drug storage. Proper drug storage for shelves, fridge. This is the thing, and maintain the temperature also. Temperature. If somebody have a big storage of a drug, like 10,000 square feet area, so the heat of the, we know about this, what type of stocks in this, it's in millions of stocks. So air conditions is also there, that in heat temperatures like in Jaipur, Rajasthan, heat temperatures are there. So to maintain the room temperature via AC, air conditioners. So this is the proper drug storage. Proper drug storage in shelves is also important because we do not give a contaminated product. But the second one is contamination. So it is also related to contamination, avoid contaminations of drugs via environment. We have seen there are so many drugs are to be, for example, if we have seen amoxicillin and carbonic acid. Nowadays, all the things are kept in a vials, but sometimes they open the vial and to shakes. So if you adding some water, if you adding some distilled water, so it is not contaminated with any foreign particles. If this will be contaminated with foreign particles, it will not the drug. It's another thing sometimes. So avoid contamination of these types of drugs. Contamination it means if you mixing two tubes of in derma segment, if you mixing some two tubes, it is will be mixing the two tubes in a right frequent in a container, not in unclean and tidy containers. So always to be mix all the things in a clear surface and clear solutions. So avoiding contamination is also by environment. Environment is also related to contamination because in environment, if temperature is not maintained, if moisture and humidity is high, sometimes we have seen in lozenges also. Avoid disfiguration of labels arrangements. Okay, avoid disfiguration of arrangement of labels means if the drug is containing 1 gram, so just type in 1 gram, not less and not high. So avoid these types of mistakes because sometimes drugs we are giving to infants and small kids and adolescents. So if we are giving to the drugs to these types of patients, so labels are in the frequent arrangements, not be and expired drugs. It is for how many teaspoons. Doses are also in the right segment. Prevent or reduce pilferage, theft, losses, storeroom also. It is also we have seen that nowadays mimeograph and leaflet things are there, but when the thousands of drugs we have seen that in this condition we have using a computer also nowadays and software is installed and in this software all the drugs and things to be in the fillings. So prevent or reduce pilferage, theft, losses, storeroom. It is also managed by the software also. Suppose that if we see in a computer screen the stock is 10 CR, but when we are going to in a storeroom and we are calculating that stock is not 10 CR, it is 9 crore 50 lakhs. So means 50 lakhs is stock is theft. And in this, when we bifurcation of all the stock, we have seen thousands of drugs. So we have seen 10 drugs are not seen in this. Sometimes it is also useful when the drug is expired. Suppose a paracetamol is expired, so it is also shown in the computer also that in this lakhs of strips, 100 strips has expired, just discard the strips. And another 10,000 strips, for example, another 10,000 strips are near expiry, means 3-4 months. So just giving discounts is the also to the part of maintenance of drug store, if we have seen. So this is the thing that is also fits maintenance of drug store, that reduce the losses is the part of maintenance of drug store. Storage is also related to all the things we have already discussed in this video in this manner. Storage is also to store all the products, all the things in a proper storage, means like fridge and all the things. Finance is also a great thing, because to maintenance a drugstore is also to holdings of the finance, is also reduces the losses and increase the profit. Suppose if a drugstore have a ability to purchasing power of a telmisartan in a year like 1 CR, okay, so in this condition, and that it is just seen, it is by how we calculate the drugstore have the capability of the, because of the maintenance of drugstore, but finance is also be proven. Okay, thanking you. That's it.